In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Adobe Illustrator. If you're working on a design and want to make certain words stand out, underlining can be a quick and effective formatting option. Adobe Illustrator doesn't always make text formatting feel as obvious as a word processor. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the underline setting and how to apply it correctly. To begin, go to the toolbar and select the Type tool by clicking the T icon. This tool allows you to work directly with any editable text in your Illustrator document. If your text is already on the artboard, choosing the Type tool is the first step to making changes to it. Make sure you're working with live text and not text that has already been outlined, since outline text can no longer be edited as regular type. Once the Type tool is active, click and drag across the text you want to underline to highlight it. You can underline a single word, a phrase, or the entire block of text, depending on what you need. Be careful to select only the text you want to affect, because Illustrator will apply the formatting specifically to the highlighted characters. After your text is selected, move over to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look for the Character section. This is where Illustrator keeps many of the text formatting controls, including options related to font styling and spacing. If you don't immediately see the full set of text controls, find the More Options icon in the Character area and click it to expand additional settings. From there, look for the Underline button. It appears as a capital T with a line underneath it. Click that button and Illustrator will apply an underline to the selected text instantly. This is the built-in underline formatting option, so it's a clean and simple way to add emphasis without manually drawing a line. If the underline doesn't seem to appear right away, double-check that the text is still highlighted and that you're editing actual text with the Type tool. That's usually the main reason the option doesn't respond as expected, and that's all it takes to underline text in Adobe Illustrator. Select the Type tool, highlight your text, open the character options in the Properties panel, and click the Underline icon. It's a small feature, but it can be very useful when you want to add emphasis or improve readability in your design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.